First problem, if plus becomes divided by and into becomes plus, then what will be the value of 36 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 into 12? So, given expression is here 36 plus 6 plus 6 into 12. Now, we have to find this expression value by using plus becomes divided by and into becomes plus conditions. That is, plus becomes divided by and into becomes plus. That means in place of plus we take divided by symbol and in place of into we take plus symbol, which implies now this becomes is equals to 36 plus in place of plus we take divided by symbol, again plus symbol, in place of plus we take divided by into 6 into the into base we take plus symbol is equals to 36 divided by 6, 36 by 6 divided by 6 plus 12 is equals to 36 by 6, that is 6. 6 divided by 6 plus 12 equals to 6 divided by 6, 6 by 6 plus 12 is equals to 6 by 6, 1. 1 plus 12 is equals to 13. So, third option. In what time can Saloni cover a distance of 450 meter if she runs at a speed of 20 km per hour? In what time can Saloni cover a distance? So we have to find the time here, that is what is time value. In what time can Saloni cover a distance? That is we have to find the value of t. She covers a distance of 450 meters. Given that distance is equals to 450 meters. Distance 450 meters, and also given that she runs at a speed of 20 km per hour. Given that speed also given. Speed is equals to 20 km per hour. So first value is in meters and second value is in kilometer per hour, and answers are in seconds and minutes. So that means we have to convert this kilometer per hour into the form of meter per second. That is, to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second, we are multiplying this value by the fraction 5 by 18. Now 2 tens are 2 nines are. So it returns the value 50 by 9 and this is meter per second. Now we want to find the value of t. So to find this value we use the formula speed is equal to distance by time. This is the formula speed is equal to distance by time. But we want the time value, which implies we are converting this formula as now time is equals to distance by speed. Just we are interchanging these two values. Time is equals to distance by speed. Now we are substituting the values. Distance, already given distance is equal to 450 by speed. Speed is equal to 50 by 9. And this is equals to 450 into, now the fraction the denominator. Now we are reversing this fraction, then it becomes 9 by 50. Now it is cancelled by 9 times. So answer is equals to 81 seconds, which is the first option. If in a coded long base conc is written as dpdl, then how will hen be written in that long base? So given word is conc. Now this is coded as dpdl. Now the question is hen. How we can code this term hen? By using this coded long base. That is a given question. So when we observe that these two terms here C D O P C D K L, that is the letter C is replaced by its next letter C. C is replaced by its next letter D, C D. O is replaced by its next letter P, O P, and C D. Again C is replaced by its next letter D, and K L. K is replaced by its next letter L. That is, this term is obtained by replacing every letter of this word by its next letter. So that is the coding of this word. Now coming to this word hen. Hen is coded as now H. Now H is replaced by its next letter, that is I, and second letter is E. Now this E is replaced by its next letter, that is F, and N. N is replaced by its next letter O. So answer of this hen is equals to IFO. That is the last option. Value of 0.98 whole cube plus 0.02 whole cube plus 3 into 0.98 into 0.02 minus 1. What is the value of the given expression? So first we are writing the given expression 0.98 whole cube plus 0.02 whole cube plus 3 into 0.98 into 0.02 into 1 minus 1. At the third value we are taking into 1. and this is equals to 0.98 whole cube plus 0.02 whole cube plus 3 into 0.98 into 0.02 into, in place of that one we take the value 0.98 plus 0.02 minus 1. Since when we add these two numbers, what it returns 1. Just taking the addition of these two numbers, 0.98, 0.02 is equals to 0, 1, 0.1. So answer equals to 1. So in place of 1 we take this value. Now this is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. And the formula for this is equals to a plus b whole cube is equals to, so a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So we are applying this formula to the above expression. Here in place of a we have 0.98 and in place of b we have 0.02. A plus b whole cube, a is equal to 0.98 plus b is equal to 0.02 whole cube. This total value becomes a plus b whole cube minus 1. Now 0.98 plus 0.02. Again the sum of the two numbers is equals to 1. 1 cube minus 1. That is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. That is the last option. Sin square 60 plus cos square 30 plus cot square 45 plus secant square 60. What is that value? Now sin square 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30. Again cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus cot 45. Cot 45 value 1 whole square plus secant 60. Secant 60 value 2 square. Now root 3 by 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square, that is 3 by 2 square 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 plus 4. 3 plus 3 6 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 3 plus 3 6 by 4 plus 1 plus 4 5. 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 5 is equals to 3 plus 10 by 2 is equals to 13 by 2. Taking LCM, 2 5 is 10, 3 plus 10, 13 by 2, which is